Okay, to get the free version of ProPresenter, here's what you need to do. First off, go to renewedvision.com/ProPresenter/download. Right up here, I've got the address for you, renewedvision.com/ProPresenter/download. Should look something like this, depending on when you're watching this. And right here is the first place you click. I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to click Mac OS right here. And now, ignore all this stuff up here. You don't need to fill it out. Click on Download Only. And then it will ask you again. I don't know why it asks you again. It just does. So I'm going to click on Mac OS, and now it is downloading. So that's all you need to do. You don't need to log into anything. You don't need the 2-week trial. You don't need a paid version, nothing like that. Um, this particular version 18.2 is 242 megs, so make sure you've got that amount of space. Uh, it might be different on Windows, but anyway, that is how you download the free version of ProPresenter. That is all we need for the class.